Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all enjoyed the Coty video I did yesterday. Now, after doing more research, I'm getting more excited about this project. Now, I went back to the charts and of course, something interesting is happening, and this could essentially be a major rocket from this point on, and I'm going to explain why, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. Now, let's just draw out our trend line, because this is very, very important. This area that we're looking at now is extremely important, and I'm just going to zoom out just so you guys can see what's happening. This could potentially be phase pretty much where we see price rocket, and we could end up going past that $1 area. The potential is limitless, especially when I'm having a look at this coin supply with the type of people that are behind this project. This could be a monster, as I mentioned, but when I'm actually looking at the immediate price action, I could be looking at a potential entry. Yes, that's right, a live entry. I'm going to go to the 4-hour time frame and show you what I see. Now, of course, price is trapped between this range here, so which is the 45 cent area, and as you guys can see here, and the most recent resistance, which is 61 cents. Now, of course, the objective is to buy low, sell high. If I am looking at an entry, has to be around this area here. Of course, we could see price end up going lower, but the lowest I see price going is maybe 20%, which is around 39 cents. Now, will that happen if the overall cryptocurrency market starts to take off? No, it will not, which is why I'm fixated and getting ready for an entry imminently, right? If Bitcoin continues to the upside, if the altcoins really start to take off, then of course we are going to see a move back to the upside, and with our next target obviously being that 70 cent area, which is a 39% move. Again, still a very, very decent return, especially when we're looking at short-term day trade setups. Now, before I talk more about the entry and where I believe this could end by the end of October, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Very important that you guys do that, because I'm about to go on a Coty journey with you guys. Again, it may seem like, damn, we missed the moves at the start of the year, but honestly, I believe that this is a very, very early on in this project. Many people will actually take profit. They're happy with their 900% return for the year so far, and will look to exit this position. But based on what this project is trying to do, and based on its progress so far, and the actual overall market cap, which is the most interesting to me, still below that $1 billion mark, this is still a project with decent short-term potential, let alone long-term potential. For those that are about to cash out, well, thank you, because I'm happy to take where you left off at, and capture this bag, but it's all about the entry. So of course, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, click the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date on all my recent videos. Remember guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice. So always, always, always make sure to do your own research. Very important that you do that. Now pause the video, click the link in my description, and join the Telegram group, because this is where you'll be able to stay up to date on our latest updates, news updates, technical updates, and much, much more. And in fact, join it right now, because we've got a major giveaway. Sunday will be your last chance to enroll on that giveaway. So join the crypto group right this second, and of course sign up for that giveaway pledge. Now let's continue with the video. Now obviously going back to all-time highs is a 40% move. Soon as we break that area, we're obviously back above all-time highs, and essentially we're in price discovery mode. So let me just draw out what I believe happens now, just so you guys can follow the message. So of course we saw this pullback here, and I'll make this red for you guys just so you can see. We saw price pull back, of course, and this is where we are now. I believe we start to see price again trend back to the upside. We hit all-time highs, and of course maybe we see a potential pullback, or we see a move sharply to $1, which of course would be a, wait for it, 100% move. which again, I believe is still fairly fine. You know, it's that right for a short-term target from where price is now is pretty conservative. I believe we hit at least 120, 130 probably, but the $1 mark is probably the area where we'll probably see price sort of stagnate. Maybe we see this become a more of a popular project. So for example, you start to see it maybe trend on Twitter or or another platform, etc. So it starts to get the attention of a lot more people. Now at this point, yes, we could see price dip. So we could see price maybe dip all the way back down to about $70 to $80. Let's make that red again so you guys can follow the analysis. In fact, we'll make it blue so you can see the new phase. So we maybe see price pull back end of October, or maybe the first week of November, we see price pull back. And then of course, as you guys already know, I'm anticipating serious bullish moves to end the year. So then of course, whoops, we'll make this blue again. And then of course, guys, back above $1. And once that happens, I will give you guys, and let me just do the arrow and make this orange so you guys can see. Whoops. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. And then once that happens, this is where, of course, I'll give you my final end of year potential prediction for this coin. Although I don't believe that that's going to be important. I believe the most important factor for this project will be the long term. I mean, going deep into 2022. That's where I believe we could see this project really take off and maybe go above the $10 mark. Yes, guys, you heard that here first. I believe COTI, what I've seen so far, could easily go above $10 per coin. But of course, I'm still looking at the team. I'm still doing my research. So you guys are literally following this journey with me. But so far, so good. But the technicals look extremely bullish and extremely positive. So really, I'm going to be looking for an entry as soon as. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more, especially across other cryptocurrencies as well as COTI. And with that being said, as always, seize the day.